Adigun. Welcome to my YouTube channel, AJ Tech House. I am a Microsoft certified trainer and I've been doing series on Microsoft 365 comprising of Outlook, OneDrive for Business, Exchange Online, and I'm going to be doing some other videos on Microsoft Teams and then SharePoint Online and even other services or technologies that borders around Microsoft 365, Azure Active Directory, and even other tech videos like how to set up a WordPress site or a Joomla site, or how to begin a career in software engineering or software development, or beginning a career in tech basically. So I welcome you to today's session where I would be showing you how to add another service to your Outlook or Office application. So Outlook here is the Outlook desktop application, right? So without wasting much time, I would proceed by launching my Outlook, right? So I launch my Outlook. As you can see, my Outlook is launched, and I'm logged in. I'm signed into my Outlook with this particular account, and then with the domain name, the default.microsoft.com domain. So what I want to do next is to add a different service, right? All I need to do is come over here to File, and then come over here to Office account, right? And then here I can see over here, I can see add a service. So here you can see connected services, right? And then I have my OneDrive for Business, and then I have my SharePoint Online also here. So I want to add a different OneDrive for Business account. So let's see, I click on, let me go through the process again. I come to add a service, storage, and then this dialog box comes up. I click on OneDrive for Business. So there's a difference between OneDrive and OneDrive for Business. OneDrive is for your Microsoft personal. So when you use your Yahoo Mail or your Gmail to, or even a custom domain to get a Microsoft personal account, right? Or AOL, right? So that's when you can use OneDrive. So you can also connect other services like Box, Ignite, Open Text, Content, and then even Share File, right? However, the last two are in the beta stage, right? So I'll click on OneDrive for Business here, and then let me sign in with Adele V at 7M3 T Microsoft.com. Click on next. It should ask me for the password, right? Okay, it's coming up. Let's give it a moment. All right, so to the password. All right, so stay signed in on all apps. No signing to only this app. So since I'm doing it for the entire for Outlook and the entire Office application, Office application, right? I would click on OK. So I want it to be on all apps, right? So let's see. My device is being registered. So let's see what happens. All right, I'm all done and set. Okay. One moment. Okay. So this has been added, right? So, but I can't see it here. So it's taking just a little moment to come up. And as you can see, I have my Adele V OneDrive, and then it also added the SharePoint site. So this is happening because SharePoint and OneDrive goes hand in hand, right? There are some settings you cannot do in SharePoint without you cannot do in OneDrive rather without the SharePoint settings overriding it, right? So we'll look at that also in a different video. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please like the video, share with your colleagues and friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right? I remain my humble self, AJ Tech House. Please also turn on your notifications so that you can be updated or notified of every new video I share. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.